Wake up to fresh coffee every morning with the BLACK+DECKER 12-cup programmable coffee maker and its 24-hour auto brew feature. With easy controls and a 12-cup capacity, it's simple, fast, and perfect for daily use. What's in the box? In the box, you find the BLACK+DECKER programmable coffee maker, filter basket, 12-cup Duralife glass carafe, and user manual. Product overview. How to use? To use the BLACK+DECKER 12-cup programmable coffee maker, place a paper filter into the brew basket and add coffee grounds using about 1 tablespoon per cup of coffee. Fill the carafe with cold water to your desired cup level and pour it into the water reservoir, being careful not to overfill it. Place the carafe back on the warming plate, make sure the brew basket is properly installed, and close the lid securely. Press the Brew Now button to start brewing. A full 12-cup pot takes approximately 11 to 12 minutes to brew. If needed, the Sneak a Cup feature allows you to remove the carafe and pour a cup before brewing is finished, automatically pausing the flow of coffee. Once brewing is complete, the Keep Warm function turns on automatically and keeps the coffee hot for up to 2 hours before shutting off for safety. How to clean. To clean the BLACK+DECKER 12-cup programmable coffee maker, fill the carafe with distilled white vinegar up to the 6-cup mark, then add water until it reaches the 10-cup mark. Pour the mixture into the water reservoir and place a clean paper filter in the brew basket without adding coffee grounds. Press the clean button to start the automatic cleaning cycle, which takes about 45 minutes. During this process, the coffee maker will periodically brew and pause, allowing the vinegar solution to soak and remove mineral buildup from the internal heating element. Once the cycle is complete, discard the vinegar solution, wash the carafe and brew basket with warm soapy water, and rinse thoroughly. Then fill the reservoir with fresh water and run 2 or 3 full brewing cycles using only water to remove any remaining vinegar odor or residue. Smart features? Set your desired brew time up to 24 hours in advance, so fresh coffee is ready exactly when you need it. The easy programming feature adds convenience to busy mornings and helps streamline your daily routine. Temporarily stops the flow of coffee when the carafe is removed, letting you pour a cup before brewing is finished. Once the carafe is returned, brewing automatically resumes without creating a mess. The durable Duralife glass carafe holds up to 12 cups of coffee, making it perfect for families, gatherings, or daily use. Its sturdy design and comfortable handle provide easy, drip-free pouring and long-lasting performance. The user-friendly digital control panel and clear display make it easy to set the clock, program brew times, and adjust settings. Large, easy-to-read controls provide quick access to features for a simple and convenient brewing experience. The warming plate automatically keeps your coffee hot after brewing, so it stays ready to enjoy for longer. For added safety and energy efficiency, the coffee maker automatically shuts off after 2 hours. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the BLACK+DECKER programmable coffee maker from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your BLACK+DECKER programmable coffee maker. See you at the next one.